you feel the vibes?
Good morning, Sierra. This is Anthony Gutron and Casey Snyder bringing you your morning announcements for Friday, November 16th, 2018.
Attention 10th, 11th, and 12th graders who do not yet have an account on Parchment.com. All Sierra students must create a Parchment account so that you can see your transcript 24/7. Please find the email sent November 13th from our registrar, Paula Goldbernson. Use the link within the email to create your account before November 26th so that you can access your transcript.
Don't forget that Autumn Ball is tomorrow in the cafeteria. Doors open at 8. To get in, you will need your ticket and student ID, so please do not forget those things.
If you have lost something, please check the lost and found in either the attendance office or on the rack in the cafeteria. There are many unclaimed items in both areas.
The campfire continues to burn and the Sierra community wants to help. We're conducting a donation drive to collect supplies for those in need. Please see the flyers around campus for what to donate and bring those donations to the front office, room 51 or room 27.
And that's it for Friday, November 16th, 2018. This was Casey Snyder and Anthony Gutron bringing you your morning announcements. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us on Twitter and Instagram at Wolf Den News. Make it a great day or not, Sierra. The choice is yours.